Hey guys, it's Jenny from Southern Savers. It is time to head in to Walgreens and see what the deals are this week. I know we've got free secret deodorant, we've got super cheap, if not moneymaker hair care, free toothpaste, and a number of other things, including a stock up deal on coffee. So let's head in and check out all the deals. This weekend, we got new Wet n Wild coupons in the Sunday paper. Plus, we have ones that you can print online. Now, this makes for freebies in a number of stores because Wet n Wild is super cheap. There is a deal this week in Walgreens where when you buy certain Wet n Wild face products, so foundation $5.99, you get a free brush. So you could pair these together if you want with the $3 off 2 face coupon. Grab 2 foundations, you're gonna get 2 free brushes, and you're gonna get $3 off. Now, you could also go for eyeshadow here. Their eyeshadow's like $115 for the singles. You can go for blush that's in the $250 range. There's gonna be a lot of deals with those because it's so cheap, but that's just one idea for you if you can't decide where to use them. Snag completely free hair color this week. All Clairol products are on sale, 2 for $14. Plus, when you buy 2 of them, you are gonna get $4 back in rewards. So let's pair in some coupons. We've got $5 off 2 coupons that just came in the Sunday paper or that you can print. And we have $3 Ibotta offers on Clairol Natural Instincts. It's only good on the Natural Instincts line. So that's $6 when you add in 2 Ibottas. So grab 2, it's $14 worth. Use a $5 off coupon. That makes them $9 worth. You're gonna get $6 back from Ibotta. Now you're basically paying $3 and you're gonna get $4 back in rewards. So you just made $1. Now, only good on Natural Instincts. And I will warn you, they're not sold in all stores. So in this store, I've got Nice and Easy, I've got Root Touch Up, I don't have Natural Instincts. So just keep your eyes open. Hopefully you're gonna find them in your store, but it's a moneymaker if you do. There's a really great overlapping deal this week on hair care. So grab Pantene, Herbal Essences Bio Renew, Head and Shoulders, and get $30 worth. Now, that's actually more than the deal requires that's running in the store, but we have a Savings Star offer that just came out for $10 back on any $30 purchase of Pantene, Head and Shoulders, and Herbal Essences. The deal in the store is buy $25 worth and get 5,000 balance rewards back. So we want to keep going. Buy 6 bottles. They're all pretty much on sale, 2 for $10. So grab 6 bottles, use coupons. We've got a 3 off 2 digital from Walgreens. We've got a 5 off 3 Pantene for Walgreens. We have a Head and Shoulders for Walgreens as well. So use all of those. Buy $30. Start pairing in the store coupons. Then use the Savings Star offer. Then get back your balance rewards. So this is gonna turn out really good pretty much no matter what you decide to get. There's also an Ibotta available for Herbal Essences dry shampoo, if you can find that in your store. That's the tricky one. So if you can find that one, possibly a moneymaker. If you can't find the dry shampoo, just grab the things that you can use because this is still gonna come out to like 50 cents a bottle after the rewards, the Savings Star. Plus, grab your Walgreens weekly ad and there's a 10 times bonus point booster coupon on page 2 of the weekly ad. That means when I scan it and I buy $30 worth of products, I'm gonna get another 3,000 points back on my purchase. So pretty sweet. In the end, it's gonna make it even more of a deal and probably a moneymaker depending on what you grab. So again, Pantene, Herbal Essences, or Head and Shoulders, have fun. Just grab 6 so that you're buying right at $30 for that Savings Star offer. Guys, we have free toothpaste every week, and this week it's back. So Colgate toothpaste, you can buy 2 of them and you're gonna get 4,000 points back when you do. Plus we have $1 coupons. You've got a $1 that you can print. We've got $1 that just came in Sunday's paper. So you're gonna grab 2 of them at $2.99 a piece. Use 2 $1 off coupons. Your total due is gonna be $3.98 after the coupons, and you're gonna get 4,000 balance rewards back. Now, this deal, just in case you're learning, is a buy 2 deal to get your points. So you can use points on this deal and still get them. Do that, you're gonna pay even less out of pocket. So grab 2, use 2 coupons, use some points you already have, and then get more points back. Pretty fun deal, running all week long. We've got completely free deodorant or super, super cheap. All week long, we have a digital Walgreens coupon for $10 off of 4 Gillette, Old Spice, or Secret deodorant products. That's a huge coupon. So load the Walgreens digital coupon and then head in. All deodorant is on sale, buy one, get one half off. So we want to grab 4 of them, obviously, to be able to use the coupon. But the best deal is to look for Secret Freshies or Secret Aluminum Free. Why? Because we have an Ibotta offer that you can also pair in. So grab 4 of them. The Ibotta offer, whichever one you decide to use, is a limit of 5. So grab 4. It can even be mix and match here. Use your 10 off 4 coupon in the store. Use your Ibotta offers, which for me, I have $2 off offers on the Freshies and the aluminum. So mix or match. If you go Freshies, all 4 Freshies, redeem for 4 Ibottas. That's $8 worth. Plus your $10 coupon, it's gonna be free. These are regularly $5.99. So let's round up for easy math, that's $6. So $6, and then the next one is gonna be 3. We're gonna buy 4 of them. So that really equals $18 worth, just with the sale, $18 worth of Secret Freshies, minus the $10 coupon, minus $8 in Ibotta. Completely free. The tricky part will be finding a store that has 4 of them. So again, be ready to mix and match. These are $6.99, so not exactly going to be completely free, but this is aluminum free deodorant. You're going to still pay like $1 for it after all of the Ibotta and the $10 coupon. It's a pretty sweet price. So again, this one is this week only because of that 10 off 4 coupon. So the sale's running all month long. That 10 off 4 coupon expires this coming Saturday. So don't wait on this one. We've had some great detergent deals lately, and this week's detergent deal is on Purex. So Purex is on sale for $1.99, and we've got 50-cent coupons. After the coupon, you're gonna pay $1.49. Really no rewards needed, it's just the sale. So if you didn't catch last week's Arm & Hammer deal and you need some detergent, $1.49 isn't too bad. Probably the best deal on coffee this week is in Walgreens, and that is not a normal place to grab your coffee. But this week they have Starbucks on sale for $5.99, and we have $2 coupons from the 428 inserts. So if you haven't used your Starbucks coupons from 428, grab them. It's gonna make these packs of K-Cups $3.99. That's 39 cents a K-Cup. Each one of these is a 10-count box. So grab them, stock up. There's really no limit here. It's just a sale. So if you've got your coupons still, use your coupons. So if you grabbed the new $3 off Aveeno printable and you want to put it to use, one deal this week is at Walgreens. So grab any Aveeno or Neutrogena sunscreen. It's on sale, buy one, get one half off. Grab $20 worth and you're gonna get 5,000 points back. Now, there's also a $3 digital in your Walgreens app. So grab 2 of them, use 2 coupons. You might get close to the 20 bucks, you might not. It really depends on your store's prices. So in this store, I'm gonna need to grab 3 products, use 2 coupons. I am gonna use the 10-point booster, so you're still gonna get some extra bonus points back on it, but it's gonna make them about $4.60 a piece after the bonus points and the 5,000 points from the deal. Still not a bad price, but it's just gonna depend on the price in your store and what they're offering. Just remember to print the $3 and load the digital so you get the best offer on this one. And this deal is technically running, the points are running all month, but right now they're on sale, so you can stock up if you want to. One more thing to look in your store, 70% off Mother's Day. Now, I know you may not need Mother's Day at this point, but think about other gifts too, because a lot of these don't scream Mother's Day. We've got really cute little stuffed animals, mugs, whatever you wanted to grab, but definitely doesn't have to be a gift for mom, but could be an easy thing to stock your gift closet with at a really super cheap price at 70% off. So check your store and see what they've got. So there you go. Lots of great deals to grab this week. You're going to always run into difficulties with the supply that a store has. So if you head in and you wanted to do the Freshies deal and your store doesn't have 4, this is where shopping the drugstores just requires a little bit of patience and a lot of flexibility. So go in and kind of have a plan to grab 2 other items, mix or match. Don't feel like you need to always be stuck on exactly the plan that you thought you were gonna have, because it's never going to work out that way. The store that I'm in, you know, I should have known coming in that they don't carry the Clairol Natural Instincts, and it's just been here before. I know how this works. And so you'll slowly learn that too. You'll also learn which stores in your area are the better stores to be in. They either have better stock or they have more selection. It's just part of learning. So as you start to shop more, hopefully you'll figure those things out for your area. The deals that I mentioned today, remember, if it's a buy two or a buy a certain number, you can always use points. If it's a deal that requires a $1 purchase, like the Aveeno, the Pantene and Herbal Essences deal, those require that you spend $20 or $25. You cannot use points. So you got to think about your deals and whether or not you're going to redeem points or not redeem points. The other thing to think about this week in particular is that 10-time bonus coupon that is in the weekly ad. I can only use that on a $20 purchase or more. So add some things together. You know, if you're going to do a deal that I am going to use some points, I still need to add those things together to hit $20. Do that. The Pantene deal, you're going to be there. The Aveeno sunscreen deal, you're going to be there. Just think about the $20 and don't forget to use the 10-time coupon. Now, I did not mention any monthly deals in this video. So if you want to see all of the Walgreens monthly deals, click on the video that I'm going to link right here, and you can head over and see last week's video that I went through all of the monthly deals that are good through June 1st. This week's video, just weekly deals. So hopefully this helps you guys. And you can click over and go to southernsavers.com/Walgreens to see all of the coupons and the deals and actually just make your shopping list. So you can make a shopping list and head straight to the store. It's as easy as it can be for you. Hope this helps you guys, and subscribe and keep following along for more videos.